Good morning, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you're YouTube. So with the season finished and a few little issues creeping in, it's time to do what we planned to do from the start, and that's to rebuild the engine for a lot more strength. This is going to involve forged con rods, forged pistons, bigger bore, higher compression, and that way, should we wish to, we can spray more nitrous, but it means we won't be depending quite so much on the nitrous for the power. But before we do that, we've got to get the engine out of the bike. Well, that's the engine out, so obviously the next thing to do is get it stripped, and it's going to have big bore cylinders on it. We're going to do a little bit of head work, forged rods. Fortunately, our spare engine has a really, if I can lift this thing, really good crankshaft on it. So we're probably going to get this crank reground, because what that'll enable us to do is keep the whole reciprocating assembly, so the barrels, the pistons, the rods and the crank, as one good unit, and that gives us a lot of spare parts then, because there's nothing wrong with all these parts, so we can have a complete spare set done. We've already got the spare barrels off the spare engine board, and that enables us then to have more spare parts, and we can't really have too many. So next job is to get the engine apart. Meantime, if you like these videos, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you soon.